I've had this piece sitting in the garage for about 2 or 3 months. I picked it up from the side of the road. If you don't know what it is, that makes two of us. I have absolutely no idea. Maybe it used to be a desk, maybe it didn't. But I do think this is just a small part of what it used to be. I can tell from a few stamp marks on it that it was in a school library, but that's all I know so far. Clearly, I'm not the first one to have a go at tampering with this. This top was definitely added later. I wasn't going to film this one, but I'm pleased I did because I've actually taken a bit of a shine to the end result. Hey team, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Cole and I'm a furniture flipper based in New Zealand. I enjoy taking tired furniture and injecting it with a modern spin. If you've been here before, welcome back. You know the drill, let's jump straight into it. This top is in pretty average condition, but because it's veneer and it's been very carefully put together, I am just going to use sandpaper and do it by hand. I don't want to take to it with the orbital as it already has some huge gouges in it, as you can see. I'm going to attempt to patch these up rather than replace the veneer. Why not test the old art skills out? The drawer bottoms have a few stamps on them, so I'm going to flip them over as the bases are nice and clean. I do think it's cool to leave the stamps on this piece. I don't want to get rid of all the history. Take two. Just call me Picasso. As I apply the finishing touches on this piece, I really want to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for taking time to watch, like and comment on my videos. I've been overwhelmed by the continued support in these early stages of my YouTube journey. It's super motivating and I intend on giving this channel a red hot crack. So please hit subscribe if you'd like to keep up to speed, and a massive thank you if you have already. This one was a reasonably quick makeover, but I thought it was an interesting little nugget to work on. If you think you know what it was, let me know in the comments. If you think you know what you'd use it for now, let me know in the comments. But in the meantime, I'm Cole. I appreciate your time. Take it easy.